So what can you do as a developer? If you're a software developer, what can you do? Well, you want to be more specialized, and maybe you can touch some of that. Like, what can a software developer do for them to not be too dependent on these LLMs that will go in and pretty much write the code, whether it's a specific function or the whole website or the entire backend APIs or the database schema, whatever. Any thoughts?
Yeah, absolutely. I think the major problem we're facing now is that everything is speeding up times 10, especially with AI. So how do we make sure that we keep up with that speed, we match the same speed, but also ensure that we're following the best practices as engineers and, not abusing the way that we're using it, and ultimately still remain the expert behind what problem we're trying to solve. So number one thing you touch, which is really important, become the expert first and then leverage the AI as a tool. If you ever find yourself using AI in a way that you're kind of using it blindly, that is automatically a red flag. You should not be blindly copy pasting answers from ChatGPT or anything else that you're using and just pasting it into your code, because it means that you are not brains behind what you're building and you're not the expert. So first, number one is become the expert. Now, how do you do that? Well, the reality is humans learn things in a standard way. There's, courses online that you follow, and go into the certain, let's say, technology or framework you're trying to learn, and go into that and spend time learning it.